Hi all, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. So today we will see how to grid a house. Okay, this is a basic floor plan which we have, which I was just already trying to do it. So I thought I'll just show it to you. And we need a scale. This is a Vastu scale, a normal scale, and pen. At the same time, any compasses which you have, you can also use mobile compass or anything. So before starting this particular plan, we need to find out the exact degree of the particular place. So for that we'll just see, because I've already seen it. You need to stand in 2-3 places. One is the southwest of the house, and find out the degree of the place. So I found out the degree of the place with the help of this compass, and I also have a mobile compass as well. So I just checked out. So it is 40 degrees which was showing actually as the degree of this particular tilt of the house actually. Okay, so we'll just see this. Okay, once you are getting the degree of the house, then we need to grid this particular plan. So now how do we do it? So it is almost all showing 40 degrees, because already I have verified it. So it is showing nearly 40 degrees. This is the point where you have to check. It is showing 40 degrees. Okay, so now what is that which we have to do? We have to take the plan, and we have to first mark the center of the plan. How do we mark the center of the plan? Is just try to draw a line from east to west, and southeast to northwest one line, and this is the point we will be getting it. At the same time, northeast to southwest. Okay, this is the center point which you have got actually from this point to this point, and you have to, using the center point, you have to mark a straight line towards the north. This is the north of the house, this is east of the house, and this is the southwest. Okay, now what you have to do is use a scale. Put the scale here, and you see that 40. Where is the 40? This is the 40, right? This is the 40. So just this particular center point on the middle of the map. Okay, and just try to scroll it till the 40. This center line should come to 40. So now mark it actually. Here you see, here this point you will have this northeast, east, northeast, east. So I'll just try to mark it here. This point, this is a line here, and line is here. It is showing northeast. Again, this is east, northeast, and here you see, here it is east. Again it is east, southeast, and this is what is the southeast, and this is the southeast. Again you have a line here. South is this, and this is southwest, and here you have the southwest. Likewise continue with all the lines which you have here. Okay, and this is the last line. So now what you have to do is join the lines. Put the scale here, just check. Okay, the same way, just check out. Okay, next is this particular line. Next is then the line from this point to this point. Okay, likewise complete the total. Right, and see here, this is the point. Finally this one. Okay, once you're completing this, mark the zones: northeast, east, northeast. Then you have come to west, southwest, west, west, southwest. Next is what? Northwest, north, northwest, north, north, northeast. Okay, this is the way you have to grid. And when you want to check out the directions, where is the northeast from this point to this triangle which is there, this total triangle is connected with the northeast. So all this area which is there, it's all connected to the northeast area. Okay, so this is the way you need to grid out. After gridding it, just see the entrance. Okay, we have placed to 40 degrees. Just check the 40, and now you see this is the entrance, right? Now see, where is the entrance falling? If you see here, this particular E3, E4, so it is almost all coming into E4 and E5, and a little part of E4, and the rest of the part is E5. And next is what you have to find out, where exactly is the toilet placing. Toilet is where you see here, toilet is placing in the, this is the toilet here, no, this is the toilet here. Okay, and toilet is coming almost all in which zone? This is coming in the west northwest zone. West northwest zone is the toilet which you're getting. Okay, so this is the way you need to grid the plan. And after gridding this plan, you need to do the analysis, the good entrance and the toilets and all the placements of the bedroom. This is also a toilet which you have here, and this is also coming in the, this is falling somewhere in the a part of southwest and the west southwest. You need to give a remedy for this. Okay, so this is the way you need to do the gridding, right? So thank you all, take care.